Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video we are going to teach you how to wire the electrical panel of the house. Most of electrical panels of the houses are wired in the same way, and if you learn this wiring it will be very useful for you. This electrical panel includes the distribution panel and it's a control panel. This switchboard is single phase, so it needs an input phase and neutral, which are marked with black and blue colors. At first we have connected the phase wire to the miniature switch and the neutral wire to a terminal. This switch is used as the main switch in the circuit and can connect and disconnect the general power. The next device is the phase controller relay. This relay protects the circuit from voltage fluctuations and voltage increase and decrease. In the next step, we have connected the phase wire from the output of the miniature switch to the power supply input of the phase controller relay and also to the input relay of the phase controller relay, which is numbered 15 downs. And then we have connected the output of the relay, which is named with the number 18, to the input of the RCCB switch. This switch protects the circuit against current leakage and electric shock. This switch also needs a neutral input, which we have connected to the neutral terminal. By activating the main miniature switch, the power enters the phase controller relay, and if the power voltage is suitable, it enters the RCCB switch from the relay. In the next step, we have connected the phase output of the RCCB switch to the input of all miniature switches. If the RCCB switch is activated, all the miniature switches will be organized after that, and each one will supply electricity to a part of the house. In this house, this switch has been selected for the lighting section, this switch for the water cooler, and this switch for the sockets. Then we have connected the phase wire of each section to the output of the miniature switch and the neutral wires to the neutral output of the RCCB switch. The method of setting this relay will be uploaded for you in separate video. In this section, we have made a simple diagram of this circuit. Please pay attention to learn more about its process. This video is finished. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Goodbye.